To use pop-up view feature to display multiple apps from Edge panel in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, drag the Edge panel handle to open up the Edge panel. If the Edge panel doesn't show up the apps panel, swipe the Edge panel to right or left until you find the apps panel like this. In the apps panel, tap and hold on the app you want to use. Drag it to the middle of the screen to open the app in pop-up view. Next, drag the Edge panel handle to open up the Edge panel again. And then repeat this previous step to open another app in pop-up view. While you are viewing an app in pop-up view, you can do the following things. First, you can resize the pop-up by dragging the side of the pop-up inside or outside. Second, you can move the pop-up by dragging the blue line icon on the upper section of the pop-up. Third, you can use additional option for the pop-up. To do so, tap the blue line icon on the upper section of the pop-up. You can see some icons appear in there from the left to the right. Tap show or hide additional option icon to show or hide additional option for the pop-up. The change of this option will affect all pop-ups. Tap the split screen icon to view the pop-up in split screen view. Next, you can tap the transparency level icon to adjust the transparency level of the pop-up. Tap the minimize icon to minimize the pop-up as the floating app icon. You can tap the floating icon to view the app in the pop-up view again. Tap minimize icon to view the app in full screen view. And the last one, tap the X icon to close the pop-up. As a note, if you have updating your phone to Android 14, when you open an app in pop-up view and you go to the recent app screen, pop-up will remain open after you leave the recent screen. So you can continue what you were working on. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.